Hello students, today we'll see assignment number 5, that is to simulate a simple calculator that perform the basic task like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the special operations like computing the exponent. So all of you know which operator is used for which operation. For addition we'll need plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication, asterisk, division, slash, division, and for exponent we have to use that asterisk sign for 2 times. So here the numbers on which we are going to perform these operations are not given, so we have to accept those two numbers from user at the runtime. So we'll write it as, I will take a variable a for the first number. Whenever we are accepting value, we are using the input. So I will store my first number in variable a. So enter the first number. This is for the first one. Now whatever number we are going to take input will be in the form of integer. So I will suffix this input line with int. So this is my first number. Then I'll need one more number. So b equal to int enter the second number. So these are my two numbers on which I am going to perform the operations. Next, whenever I will input these two numbers, a menu should be displayed to me that which operations I can perform with these two numbers. So for displaying that menu, I will make use of print. I will mention my first option as addition. So I don't want all these options in one line. What I want is it should show like one addition, on the next line two subtraction, on that next line three multiplication. So after addition, whatever content that I want on new line, so what we are writing for that, for new line slash n. So my second option is to subtraction. Then third option will be multiplication, and so on. As many functions you are going to write, you have to specify those as menus. So these are my menus. Now out of this, if I write down 1, then it should perform addition. If I'm typing 2, it should perform subtraction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are my choices. So what a user should input? The two numbers on which the operation to be performed. Then this menus will be displayed, and then user should enter the choice that which operation out of this given operation he or she wants to perform. So I will take that choice in variable ch. Again that choice will be in integer, sorry, that choice will be in integer. So int, we are taking input, so input, enter the choice. Okay, so this is my choice. Now what we have to do, we have to write down a user defined function for each of these choices. So what is your first choice? It is addition. Whenever we are writing a user defined function, what is the syntax? First we have to type in the keyword def. So def stands for definition, space, you have to write down the function name. So I will write it as add. You can write it as addition. Okay, so we will write it as we are giving them inside the print line. So my function name is addition. On which two numbers you are going to perform this operation? Those are a and b. So parameters will be a comma b. To finish this line we have to mention the colon. Enter. We have to keep this indentation. So whenever I am giving the enter key, my cursor is on this point, it is not at the initial point. So wherever the cursor is, you have to keep it there only, don't play with the indentation. So what task this addition function is going to perform? It will give you the value of addition. So print, this is the body of this user defined function. So what this add function should do, it should display the value of a plus b. So print a plus b. In same manner you have to write down the function for subtraction, multiplication, division and exponent. So I will copy this. Okay, so instead of addition it will be now subtraction. For subtraction the operator is minus. Multiplication, the asterisk, where it is asterisk. Then division, for division we have to write down the slash. Exponent will be asterisk symbol for 2 times. So these are the definitions. Now we have to match this ch value with this definition. Okay, if this ch means 1 is matching with addition, it will perform addition. If it is 2 and the 2 is matching with subtraction, it will perform subtraction, and so on. So I have to make use of now the if elif else block. I will write if. Now if the value of ch is equal to 1, what we have to perform? Addition. Okay, we have to perform addition. What is name of that addition function? It is addition itself. So addition and the parameters, which are the a and b. If I will just write the definition, whether the program is going to execute? No, definition are executed only when you will make a function call. So whenever choice is matching, you have to write down the function calls. If the ch is equal to 1, make call to the addition definition. I cannot directly write down the else, as I am not having the only one condition. I have 5 different conditions, so I have to make the if, elif, else construct use. If this ch is equal to 2, where the control should be transferred to the subtraction function. See the spellings carefully. Usually you make mistakes in the spellings only. Subtraction A comma B. Again elif. Elif, this ch is equal to 3. If 3, then multiplication. Multiplication A comma B. Elif ch is equal to 4. Division. And the last fifth one is exponent. So we are not going to mention that exponent with elif, as it is last. We have to mention it with else only. So else colon, not matching with any of the ch, it is directly matching with the fifth one. Then we'll perform the exponent A comma B. Else is not having condition, it is just having the keyword else and the colon. So we'll save it and run. Invalid syntax of what? Okay, we'll see now what it gives you as output. We'll run it for one more time. They are asking you for entering the first number. If I enter my first number as 4, then second number will be 6. Okay, this menus, as we are writing that print option, in that print we have mentioned one addition, as we are giving /n, so they are showing that second option on next line and so on. So these are the options. They are asking you for the choice that out of this many choices which operation you have to perform. If I click on the third one, mention it 3, it is going to give you the answer as 24. The first number, that is 4, and the second number is 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. This is your answer. At one time you can execute one of the function only. If you want to execute another function from the list, you have to execute this program for one more time. Okay, so you learn this program. If you are having any doubt, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.